Hi, this is my Seagull Artist Mosaic Dreadnought element. It was bought in 2018, so it's probably a 2018 model, but you know, it could be a couple of years before if it was old stock. Anyway, all solid wood, cedar top, mahogany back sides, mahogany neck, nice pear flin, etc. here and there, and all the bells and whistles. Ebony fingerboard, ebony bridge, tusk, nut and bridge, bar, top of the range. This is what it sounds like. I'm not much one for finger picking, but just to show it a bit further up the neck, show you that it tunes properly. Up at the fourth, which is that's as high up as I ever go.